Hello and welcome back to another tool deal of the day at homedepot.com. It is today only for August 28th, 2025. I don't know what's going on with Home Depot, but this is now the second day this week that they're doing this. So quite surprised. And let's get started here. And also just as a reminder too, I'm doing that gift card giveaway, $100 one. It ends at the end of the month, so you do have a few days left to enter to win, and to qualify is you have to be publicly subscribed to this channel and comment below DIY Crasher Rocks. That way it makes you eligible to win. All right, let's get started here. So for the first deal here is a M12 3/8 ratchet with a 2 amp hour battery and charger and a bag for $229. That's saving 23%. If you're already in the Milwaukee platform, then maybe compare the models you can get with the other current deal that they are offering with the two free 3 amp hour batteries. Might be a little bit better of a deal there, but this one does come with actually two of the 2.0 batteries, so maybe just do a comparison there. All right, so the next deal up is the Ryobi 18 volt 12 tool combo kit with a 1.5 and two of the 4 amp hour batteries for $649, saving $150. That's 19% off. We've seen this deal before multiple times. If you're not in any platform whatsoever, if you are a DIYer or a weekend warrior kind of person just looking to get into a tool platform, this might be the setup to go with actually for only $650. This is just over $50 a tool here, and you're starting off with a good assortment of tools to be able to do most tasks for any projects. It even includes a 18 volt miter saw, which I believe is like around $180 by itself. A lot of these tools are not brushless tools, just be aware of that. But again, just over $50 a tool, you really can't beat it. It's a good one to pick up if you're looking to get into a platform. And I do recommend the Ryobi brand for the people that are just starting off in tools and doing some simple projects, that sort of thing, not like a daily kind of, tradesman type, but certainly Ryobi will get you through the projects, and then obviously being cheaper as well. And also they're very innovative with the different number of tools that they come out with. All right, the next deal is the DeWalt 2.5 gallon, 140 PSI portable 20 volt air compressor with the Flex Volt Advantage. It has they're pairing it with the hose as well for $169. That's an excellent deal right there, saving $79. That's 32% off. I think recently we just saw it for over $200. It might have included a battery, I'm not sure, but $170 to include the hose as well. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. All right, next deal is the Ridgid 18 volt 5 tool combo kit with two 4 amp hour batteries, charger, tool bag. This again, if you're looking for a platform, Ridgid is also a good one to get into. They offer the lifetime warranty on their tools. I just don't think they have the great assortment compared to Ryobi, but it is going to be a step above as far as the quality compared to Ryobi. But for $299, it's a pretty good deal. That's saving $406 there, 58% off. And then the next deal is from Milwaukee. We got some M12. It's a ratchet and a couple of ratchets actually with two 2 amp hour batteries, charger for $339, saving 23%. And then the M18 option is next. It is the brushless, cordless compact drill and impact driver 2 tool combo kit with two 2 amp hour batteries, and looks like they're throwing in a 5 amp hour one as well for $229, saving $160. That's a pretty good deal, saving 41%. And then the next deal is another ratchet for $229, saving $70. Again, maybe check out the other deal that they are doing with you're buying a ratchet and you get the two additional 3 amp hour batteries. That might be better to go with that one. And then the next deal is the 12 volt stubby 3/8 inch one with a ratchet for $299, saving $100. That's 25%. You can get a 2-pack of the 4.5 inch angle grinders, the M18 ones, for $279, saving 43%. Those are the paddle switch ones. Those are nice. And then they have the M12. It is the compact brad nailer for $279 with a battery and charger, saving 14%. You really don't see this go on sale that often, so to save any amount of money is pretty good. And then next deal is another M12 option. It is a 2 tool combo kit, the drill and impact driver, and they're putting in the stapler for $239, saving $60. That's 20% off. It also has two of the, I believe those are 2 amp hour batteries. I don't have the subcompact ones. I have the regular ones that were the hammer drill. But I do have that stapler. The stapler is awesome. It works flawlessly. I've actually used it to hang the house wrap around the house to do siding, and it works great. And I believe that tool price is like around $129 by itself for the stapler. So it's a pretty good deal when it's pairing with the other tools there for $239. All right, the next deal is another M18 option. It is the 4-tool combo kit with 3 batteries and a charger. It's actually 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a 2-amp-hour one with that tool kit. The tools that it does come with is a circular saw, a drill, impact driver, and a one-handed recip saw. That's a pretty decent deal, saving 35% there. I just wish that would have come with the 5-amp-hour ones instead of 4-amp-hour batteries. All right, the next deal is another M18 option. That is the 2-tool combo kit. Looks like the older drill and impact driver that they have, and they have, looks like a total of 3 batteries there, 2-amp-hour ones for $189, saving $109 there. Another M12 option is the 3-tool combo kit. They have the hammer drill, a ratchet, light, and looks like the screw gun for $339, saving $180. And the next M12 option is a ratchet and the cutoff tool for $229, saving $119. I have the cutoff tool. It works awesome. I'm able to cut like different metals and it just tears right through it. You'd be surprised at how powerful the M12 lineup is if you haven't already experienced it. I'm actually quite shocked with it all the time. All right, the next deal is another M12 option here. It is looks like the compact drill and impact driver with 2 of the 2.0 batteries and the inflator for $259, saving $40. That's a pretty decent deal. And then the next deal is another M12 option. It is the ratchet. Looks like the rover light and then another screw gun, and then they're pairing that with a 5-amp-hour high output battery in addition to the 2 batteries there for $329, saving $180. That's 35% off. And it looks like they brought back the high impact 1-inch impact wrench, and they're pairing that with a grinder for $619. That's saving $530. That's 46% off. It looks like they're doing the same deal as the other day from Ryobi. It is the compact router with the router bits for $118, saving $50. And then also from Ryobi, you can get a 2-tool combo kit, which is the drill, an impact driver, and it looks like a set of drill bits as well. And then it has 2 1.5-amp-hour batteries and charger for $99. That's a pretty decent deal right there for $100, saving 38%. All right, now we're getting into some DeWalt options. It looks like they have the Sawzall paired with the 6 and 4-amp-hour starter kit for $229, saving $109. Now, just a reminder, like during Black Friday times, the holidays, they usually have this starter kit. At least they did last year for $199. Then you get the free tool. The Sawzall would have been one of the options. And this Sawzall is a brushed one, so it's not the brushless. The next option from DeWalt is a 16-gauge 1-inch crown lathing stapler for $199, saving $97. And then there's the 16-gauge finish nailer 20-volt one for $379, saving $169 there. That's 31% off. One thing I don't like about the DeWalt nailers is that it does that wind up before it shoots. It's loud, it's annoying. And then compared to the Milwaukee nailers where it's just ready to fire and it goes and there's none of this wind up noise. I wish DeWalt could fix theirs. All right, the next option from DeWalt is the Atomic 20-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool with a 6-amp-hour and 4-amp-hour battery and charger for $229. Again, this is going to be another option that if they bring it back this year for the BOGO deal, where you're buying that battery starter kit for $200 and you get a free tool. They're basically charging an extra $30 here today, just like they are with the reciprocating saw. This is the oscillating tool that I do have, and I've had it for probably going on 9 years now, and it works solid as from day one. It works great. I love it because it has the trigger on it to make it be variable speed. You can really control the blade speed on it. So that's what I love about it. All right, the next option from DeWalt is a 1/2-inch heavy-duty pneumatic impact wrench. It's a 1/2-inch one, and it looks like they're including some sockets with that as well for $289, saving $75. And then they have another M12 ratchet one that's a 3/8-inch one, also with some sockets. Also includes 2 2-amp-hour batteries for $259, saving $95 there. And another, looks like they're doing some lights from the M12 lineup. It is the Rover service and repair floodlight with a 1.5-amp-hour battery and charger. It looks like they also have the neck light with that as well. That uses the red lithium USB battery. But it looks like this deal is unavailable right now. So they either sold out or they're just displaying deals that are no longer in effect and you can't buy. All right, and then the next section we're getting into is some outdoor power equipment and power tools. So they have a few different options I'm going to go over here. They have the Ryobi 40 volt. It is a 12-inch string trimmer and a 450 CFM blower 40 volt system here. It's $179, saving $50. That's a decent deal to getting the two tools for that price. And they have another stubby option here from the M12 lineup, half-inch one, and it does have the two 3 amp hour batteries with that for $229. This is the same deal they're doing in the stores and online. So they're doing this deal past today. And then another option here from Jackery is a 1500 watt, 3000 watt peak portable solar power station. This is just the power unit itself. It does not include solar panels. It's priced at $549, saving $230 there. It's 30% off. This would be great for power outages, storms, camping, tailgating. All right, next option from Ryobi is 18 volt, 16 inch walk behind push mower for $189, saving $40. If you're in the market for a mower, maybe consider the Cobalt one currently, because they're over at Lowe's. They're currently doing the 40 volt Cobalt mower for only $200. So it's going to be a little bit more powerful than the 18 volt Ryobi. All right, another Ryobi option is the Easy Clean 600 PSI 0.7 gallons per minute cordless electric power washer for $159, saving $40. And then they also have the 40 volt attachment capable string trimmer with a 550 CFM blower for $219. This is going to be a better kit to get versus the other one I just showed previously. Obviously it's a little more expensive. You got more powerful blower as well as a string trimmer, and obviously being able to do the attachments with the string trimmer would be another great feature to have. So you can run either like a cultivator, a pole saw, a different other blower, an edger. I mean, there's many different attachments they have for that trimmer, so definitely worth the extra money for that. And they do have an 18 volt trimmer that's also attachment capable for $179 by itself with that battery and charger, saving $50. Then they have the 40 volt brushless. It is a stick lawn edger. It is tool only for $209. Maybe compare the pricing for what it would be just for the edger attachment by itself to add to the trimmer over here. All right, this here is not so much of a great deal for $69. A power source 18 volt Ryobi one. That's only saving 14%. You can save 16% on the 2500 PSI. It is electric power washer with a surface cleaner. It's a 12-inch in size for $319. Another power washer option you're only saving 11% on. Again, it's electric one, 1900 PSI with a 12-inch surface cleaner. I'm not sure how well it would actually do the surface cleaner, like on pavers and concrete. I imagine it might be kind of weak. Usually for a surface cleaner, you want it to be like around 3000 PSI, just from my experience that I've had with them. You want something a little bit more powerful because it's running two nozzles directing the water out of, and you want something powerful enough to spin it and also clean the surface. All right, another Milwaukee option is the M12. It is the cordless 3-inch random orbit detail sander. This is a newer tool out, and they're pairing that with the two 3 amp hour batteries for $169, saving $140. Another good deal there, 45% off. And it looks like they brought back the same deals from the other day with the random orbit sander with the 5 amp hour battery for $199. Again, if you could wait the few extra months before Black Friday time when they're doing the deals of the BOGO deal with the battery starter pack and then free tool. But if you're in need of this tool more recently, you know, to get started on some project coming up here, then obviously it's worth the pickup to do this now. At least you're getting a free battery with it. The same thing goes with this cordless compact router. This is actually a good price for this. It's $179 with that 5 amp hour battery, because I think the router by itself is normally priced at $200 or $230 even. So to get it even cheaper, and then also with the battery, it's a pretty decent deal. It's 50% off. But again, this would be another option for the BOGO deal that they do around the holiday time, at least what they did this last year. All right, the next deal is the fuel oscillating tool, the M18 with the 5 amp hour battery for $209, saving $179. Another good deal, 46%. I think the free tool that they normally do during the holiday time is the one that's not brushless. It's just the regular model. So, you know, this would be the time to get the fuel one if you're in the market for that. And they do have the extended reach ratchet 3/8 inch in size with two of the 3 amp hour batteries for $209, saving $160. That's 43% off. Another good deal. I think this is also the same deal they're doing in the stores, but I think they're might be priced around $229 if I'm not mistaken. Maybe check that out, but I think $209 is a good price on it. And then they do have the M12. It's a variable speed polisher sander with the two 3 amp hour batteries for $159, saving 49%. Another good deal. All right, next deal is the M18 half-inch hammer drill driver with a 5 amp hour battery for $179, saving $210. It's 54% off. That's a pretty good deal. It's a nice drill. And if you're considering just getting a drill by itself, definitely go for one that's a hammer drill. That way it gives you the opportunity to drill into concrete. And you can do more tasks with it. It has more torque than a regular drill. All right, the next deal is another M18. Is 18 gauge double cut metal shear with a 5 amp hour battery for $199, saving 51%. And then they also have another random orbit sander. This is going to be the older one versus the other one that I think I showed you previously, but this is priced at $129, and it does include a 2 amp hour battery, so that's pretty decent savings there at 48% off. And they do have the Ryobi 18 volt 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. It is tool only for $249, saving $100. It's almost 30% off there. And if you're in need of like a stump grinder, or they have those here as well, saving 18 and 19% respectively. And they do have another Jackery option. It's a 2200 watt with a 4400 watt peak portable power station. It does this one is priced at $999, saving $500 there. And a few other Jackery options. I'll just skip over them, but they do have some good savings here. This one's saving $500, another one's saving $1,200. This would be like an all-in-one basically for a house, and this one even has like a transfer switch, it looks like. Another one that's a Jackery that's on wheels, power station, 3000 watt for $1,200. That's saving $621. That's a pretty good deal. And then they have also some EcoFlow options for $1,400. That's saving almost $800 there. So definitely, if you're in the market for any of these portable power stations, it's the time to get it when they're doing these deep savings on these. So that's going to be all the tools I'm going to cover in this video. You're certainly welcome to check out the rest of the ones they have. They have some other hand tools like wrenches and sockets and battery sets, but be sure to check them out. And don't forget to enter that contest by commenting DIY Crasher Rocks down below and being a subscriber. I really do appreciate that support and appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.